Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews, and today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. Found this at my Daiso store, Daiso Japan. They got a lot of imported snacks, drinks, candies, a lot of gadgets and stuff from Japan. I was going through there and I saw this and I thought, wow, this one's kind of interesting and a little bit different. So I thought I'd give this a try. This is by, oh boy, Koi Kia, I guess is the name brand, and it says Karomucho Corn Snacks, and it's corn soup with pepper. Alright, so yes, corn soup with pepper. Got the little, I don't know what he is, mascot, I guess. It looks like very strange. I don't know. Anyways, it's going to be corn soup with pepper, and I guess they're corn snacks. I guess they're like, I don't know, corn sticks, something like that. 160 per serving, 1 ounce is 360 per container, 170 or 390. Corn grits. Oh, cool. What is a grit? I don't know. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna give this a try for you guys. I have no idea. Corn soup with pepper. Definitely different. Whoa. All right. Got that open. Yeah, they look like little, I don't know, corn. They almost look like Cheetos kind of thing, but they're corn. All right, yeah, they kind of look like Cheetos, almost, but they're not cheesy, they're corny, and it's gonna have pepper. So it's supposed to be like corn soup with pepper. All right, here we go. Definitely like the sweet corn, or what they call it, corn potage. Kind of strangely addicting. I don't really taste the pepper yet. I think it's black pepper. So it's like if you put it in a corn soup and then you sprinkle pepper. Okay, oh yeah, a little bit of pepperiness. Kind of weird because it's a sweet corn, but then you get that little bit of a peppery in the background. It kind of throws you off. A lot like Cheetos, yeah. Strangely, that's good. It's a good combo. Nice sweet, and then a little bit of that pepper flavor. The only other thing that would go good with this is if it, I don't know, a little bit of hot sauce, maybe. Put some, little Tabasco, little Frank's Hot, cayenne, I don't know. Actually, it's really good. Very satisfying, very crunchy. That pepper kind of, the little sweet, salty kind of flavor. Yeah. I'm really liking that. Wow. Over this one, corn soup with pepper. That one, I'm gonna have to give that one, I'm gonna give it a 9. 9 out of 11. I mean, it's good. It's nice and sweet. They got a little bit of pepperiness to it. Very crunchy. Oh, it's just really good. It's different. Because normally you get the, you know, the Cheetos or something like that, and the Flamin' Hot and all that. But this one, sweet and peppery, and different. Probably eat this whole bag. I'm gonna have to go back and get another bag. They also had some other ones. I think it was like seaweed other strange ones, but if you happen to be somewhere near a Daiso store, take a look inside, see if what kind of snacks and what kind of candies and stuff that they have that are imported. They also have like the regular Cheetos and some of the Doritos and some of those ones, but give it a try, especially if it's a little bit different. I always like to try different items. So anyways, there you go. That's the corn soup with pepper. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time, on Drew's Food Reviews, I'll be trying something new, and peppery and corny for you. Put these away and I'll try them another time. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.